Hello, hi, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, so I think you've heard what happened, and I was also shocked by the update that Wolfie gave us. So I would like to say sorry for that uh, immediate decision, but I am also a part of that, so I was also surprised. But anyway, the major concern that we have right now is those tasks and those projects that we have last week. They needed to be, I mean, they need to be finished this week, so we need to do some catch up. So I would like to ask, what were the tasks that you were not able to finish because of the immediate suspension, or is there any pending projects that you have that
Okay,
should,
sure.
yeah.
Um, my last tasks were to continue the inner pages for Strike Force benefits, and I Karsten also is also helping me with the designs, and I have I have added the contents on what on that based on the text that was given to me, and currently I'm working specifically on what's the packages, plan and packages part, and services parts, the one with many sub pages, and also that's the one that is currently working with Karsten, and while Karsten is sending me the page, I'm also implementing that one.
Pakikusap ko sa... Okay, okay, go on.
And next, and my plan is to create the other pages like the contact us and the blog page after the plans and packages page. So maybe while waiting for Karsten creating the layout for the plan and packages page and the services pages, I will be working with contact us page, blog page, and the other pages like fact page. So
Okay.
that's what I am planning last week, which was interrupted. So
Yeah, I do understand. And on behalf of the administration department, I'm sorry about that. So anyway, were you able to add all the finished inner pages that Karsten had shared last week?
oh, not yet. I have not, because Karsten I did not had the time was not enough because that's Wednesday, so it's not enough to I mean I was interrupted with that.
Okay, I understand. So do you think we can add all the inner pages that were already finished to Strike Force benefits before this week ends?
I actually can add that with my own of and also if Karsten will not finish all of the design of all the other pages, I can do that in my own. So that would mean that some of the pages will be designed by me and some of the pages will be designed by Karsten. So because I think we're running out of time, so I cannot it will be uh, it will it will be better if I will do the design, unlike like unlike waiting for Karsten to finish one then implement it. So
Yeah.
that will be my plan.
Okay, I think that would work. So yeah, the issue we have is it seems like it's taking too much time or for us to just finish the inner pages. So I guess maybe we need to uh finish those within this week. Do you think that's feasible?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay, thank you for that. So really, we need to catch up. We need to. finish what we have left last week. And I am quite concerned on the latest email that Wolfie had sent to me because he told me that he was surprised that I was asking for the let me just check down the email that he had. Okay, let me just where is it? There. I'm quite confused on why would Wolfie be surprised on because last time I asked him if we can upgrade the package of Strike Force Safe on 1 and 1 because he asked me to upload a new theme which was from I mean new theme from Atom Store. I'm not sure if you have heard of it. So he
I have
asked
not heard of it.
the okay. So he asked me to upload that and I asked Leonard's help to for that to be finished. Unfortunately, we found out that 1 only has the domains and the package oh let me yeah and the package that it has only got the domains and got no web space or FTP and whatnot for us to install any theme on the site. So I asked him if we can transfer that to Liquid Web.
Actually, one-on-one.com is only used to purchase domains, and Liquid Web is our host. So even though even the domain is already paid, if it is not yet connected to Liquid Web, it won't run. You cannot install WordPress on it. You cannot install theme on it. So that's it.
Yeah, I'm aware of that. However, I did try to call 1-on-one's customer support, and yeah, and also Leonard emailed them, and they told us that actually it's possible. We just have to upgrade the package so that we can have web space on it. So now we really need to have we do need to install this new theme on Strikeforce Safe.
What's that?
Strikeforce Safe is another site related to Strikeforce benefits.
So it would be like under the network site of
Yes,
strikeforcebenefits.com.
yep, exactly.
So it should not be we should not upgrade the package on one because we'll be using the host on Liquid Web since strikeforcebenefits.com is under with Liquid Web hosting. So the thing is we will just park that domain to strikeforcebenefits.com host, which is under Liquid Web. Then then set it up as a part of the network site of under strikeforcebenefits.com. That is the steps to do. There is no need to upgrade packages on one hosting.
Yeah, yeah, I think so too. Mm, so I'm just quite confused why he's asking that we should install this one on Strikeforce site when the instruction that we received from him only involved the Strikeforce benefits. I think you're aware of that also. Hello?
Pardon, was it?
I mean, I think you're also aware of that instruction that Wolfie just gave.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Because it's pretty clear that he mentioned that these are the domains to be related to strikeforcebenefits.com. So that was like make weeks ago, so it is finished already. And strikeforsafe.com is not included on the list he requested to be under
yeah, exactly.
Strikeforce.
That's really my point. That's why I'm quite confused right now. Why he's asking me why this Triforce save is not yet uh installed on the Triforce side that we already have and whatnot. So that's why I'm confused right now. So because we have this meeting, I guess there's someone who can back up. I mean, who can back me up about this. So here's
Yeah.
what we're gonna do. We're still waiting for Leonard because he usually works around 10 or what, I don't know. I mean, he works during nighttime, not like us. We do work during the day. So here's what we are going to do. I would like you to do, Anthony. I would like to ask for your help. Wolfie said that he will install it by himself. However, I checked on the WHM and I see no strike force safe here, so I'm not quite sure. Can we like I would really need your help right now because I still am loaded with a lot of tasks right now to finish so that I can send a report to him. I think I'll get uh I need to put an organized list on the achievements that the SEO people have done. So this would really require much time. So do you think you can help me with this?
I have checked. I have logged into oneonone.com and I have checked strikeforcesafe.com, and it stated there that there's a web page allotted to it. It's Strikeforce Safe.com folder. So I think someone have created this space there. So I think that is the one Wolfie means. And well, I'm
Okay.
not sure. I'm pretty sure I am not the one who.
Yeah, I did not do that either. So that makes it more confusing right now
So
because
so the thing is, if this strikeforcesafe.com is stored, like it is hosted in oneonone.com, because oneonone.com already also have a web space, web storage, or host, or web host in here. So if it will be under on oneonone.com, it won't be connected to strikeforce.benefits.com network sites. That's not possible. So I am not sure why it is here. So it should be on WHM Liquid Web.
yeah, now that's make it more confusing. But anyway, I think we have to stick to the instruction. I mean, the instruction was just to add a theme on Strikeforce Save. Ju- Um,
We might want to clarify first if we're gonna set it up together with strikeforcebenefits.com network site, because uh, if we're gonna just install a theme there, then and later part he decided that it should be under the network site of strikeforcebenefits.com, then this task of adding theme will be wasted, because it should we because we will because before we can and we can make it under the network site, the DNS setting should be changed, so the the insulation the old insulation will be wasted.
yeah, exactly. That's what I'm afraid
So
of.
first thing, we should clarify if it is under strikeforcebenefits.com network site, yeah, or if it's not under, what is it required that it should be under liquid web hosting, or we will just use one-on-one hosting. So that is the first thing we should inquire.
Yeah, exactly. And I'm aware of that, but that's it. Hmm. Okay. So if he had done this on one and one, that means we don't need to transfer this on liquid web, right?
Maybe it's an accident, done by accident. So we there's a need to clarify because maybe okay, it's done. But maybe it's just a mistake on click. So like that because
Okay.
yeah.
So I think here's what we want to do, Anthony. Please to include this on your report, and oh, there's no. I mean, can you like email this to me? The 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 findings that we have right now on one and one. Will
Okay,
you be
sure.
able to email that to me? Mm, maybe right now while we are still waiting for Leonard, I'll give you time.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, that would really help because we still have got a lot of things to do here, and with all the SEO tasks that we have to monitor and review. So, and this needs to be submitted right now. Okay, so maybe you can email that to me.
Yeah, yeah,
Everything.
yeah.
Yeah, okay. And then, oh my God, we're still waiting for Leonard. I'll give you time. Just let me know if you're done.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, there, I have confirmed it. Well, actually, I did call one and one. I think that was last week. One and one has hosting. So one and one, I mean, you can also buy domains from one and one, but you can you can you can also upgrade a package and let one on one be the hosting. I mean, be the host.
Yes. So maybe they misinterpreted your call, like they just added a host package on it.
No, there really is a the real it can really host even multiple sites with unlimited web space. You can
Yeah,
you
yeah. But the thing is it is the instruction from Wolfie includes that it should be under a networks a network site of strikeforcebenefits.com.
yeah, that's why I'm quite confused right now
Okay,
because
so
Strikeforce Safe has to is a part. I mean, should be like under a network side of Strikeforce benefits, right? I mean, are you following?
yeah,
And yet
yeah,
it is quite. I don't know. He's asking me why this is not why I should still ask for his approval to install this on Liquid Web when we haven't. I mean, oh my God, there was no instruction to include Strikeforce Safe to install on Liquid Web, right? And it says here that there is no hosting on one-on-one, but I'm not sure because I called them and they said that they had hosting. They even had. I can even share you the link if you want, just to verify that here.
yeah.
Did, did you see it, the link?
Yeah.
So, what is your finding of it?
I'm I don't get what the problem is because based on, yes, the strikeforsafe.com is first it is purchased under one-on-one.com registrar.
Yes.
Second, that based on my findings here that it is hosted under one-on-one.com registrar. So the instruction is um, to install a theme on under ion strikeforsafe.com.
Yep.
Is that the only instruction or there are other instruction like it should be under strikeforcebenefits.com?
You know, the first instruction that I received was, of course, to install the theme on Strikeforce Safe. So that's what I focused first.
Then
Yep.
what about like there instructions like it should be a network site or just a standalone website?
Well, if you're going to look at it in a wider perspective, Strikeforce Safe should be on a network site with Strikeforce benefits, right?
Yeah, yeah.
That's why I'm confused.
Okay, so
Now, if we're going to upload this theme on Strikeforce Safe, that would mean that uh, you know what I mean, right?
my question is who purchased the web host under one-on-one.com?
No one can purchase those domains except Wolfie.
So how did that happen? That there is a web space there.
That's it. That's another thing that I'm quite
Oh,
confused on.
okay, yeah. Because that should not, because it we the what the only thing you will do on one-on-one.com is to just change the DNS setting. It's the name server, so it's no need to purchase a web space because we already have a web space on Liquid Web. So it should not, this web spacer should not be here. So that will yeah, I will include that on my email based on my findings.
So as you can see there in one, Strike for Safe has a web space, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so if we are going to transfer that on Liquid Web and then install WordPress and install the WP theme, that would mean that that would mean like the web space bought or purchased for Strike for Safe would be useless, right?
Well, actually, I am not sure if this web space here is already paid. Maybe it's like only allocated for now. It's not necessarily paid. So maybe that one. So we will not waste money. So because I'm not too familiar with the one-on-one.com billing system, or how to know if it's already paid or not.
Yeah, because he said that he already asked me to install it on Strikeforce site.
Yeah.
We already have, even it was even if it was to be installed on Strikeforce Safe.
Mm.
So hmm, yeah, after that email, when you're done with the email, maybe we can immediately transfer Strikeforce Safe to Liquid Web.
Yeah, if we can, it is like it is easy to edit the name server. All we have to do is to wait like 24 to 20 1 to 3 days to for it to propagate. But usually, based on my experience in this server, it usually takes less than 24 hours. So if we're gonna change that now, we might we might see it by tomorrow. Tomorrow the same hour.
Yeah, I
But we should
agree.
clarify that first because uh, the instruction I think is not so clear. So we might clarify that first to avoid wasting of time or to avoid like wasting of resources.
Yeah, that's true. I think so too. So I got the email night just yesterday. So if he was able to install it by himself, then there should be a Strikeforce Safe here on Liquid Web, right?
Not if it's yeah if he install it as a standalone website, there should be strikeforsafe.com on there. But if he gonna install it as a strikeforcebenefits.com network site, there it should be that there. It's under strikeforcebenefits.com dash cpanel. It's the way you can see the I that domain. But I will log in now and see if
Okay,
that's the.
yeah. I think it would help if we both log into the cPanel of Strikeforce benefits and see what we can what we can and check if check what we can see there. I'm already on the cPanel. Let me take a look at that.
It should be under park domain.
Yep.
No, it's not here.
Park domains. Okay, let me check that one.
It's not here.
Okay, there's no, I mean, there is no strike force safe.
Yeah.
The domains under strike force benefits are only got like four domains.
Yeah.
The
In Strike
HNG
Force,
partners, strike force noun, strike force secure, strike
yeah.
force benefit. So there's
Yeah,
no
that
strike force safe.
yeah.
Okay, so
That
here's what we're gonna do. Although I'm really quite confused right now, but we have to stick on the first instruction that he gave to us. I'm confident right now because I have you, so you can back me up with this because I believe he gave the instruction while we were on a meeting, right? On a Skype meeting. Was it?
I don't see any instruction regarding Strike Force Save that come in the previous weeks.
That's it because it was discussed during our Skype meeting. Was it?
Not sure. I don't remember.
Anyway, so because they mm, here's the here's the email that I got from him. Don't mind about the typo thing. That should be strike for safe and not saved.
Yeah. So this part, I already asked you to install it on the Strike Force site that we already have. Uh, does he mean strikeforcebenefits.com site? Hello?
Yes.
Uh, so because we have no other Strikeforce site, so it's only strikeforcebenefits.com site. So we can imply in this statement that it should be a network site under strikeforcebenefits.com website.
Exactly. Exactly.
So it also contradicts for the in his second statement that set up a new account on Liquid Web then install WordPress because this part should not be done anymore because if you just want to be part on a network site, you don't need to create a new account on Liquid Web. Then you don't need to install another WordPress CMS because it's already there. You just park that domain, then install the theme, then it's there. That's the only step if you're gonna install it under strikeforcebenefits.com site.
Yeah. True. That's what makes it more confusing right now. But anyway, don't worry because this meeting is recorded, so at least we have someone to back that up. Uh, I hope you can also include that to your email. Leonard is not yet online. Oh,
Oh,
hi,
I
Cars. Yeah,
Well, yeah,
this meeting
yeah.
is recorded, so we do have to speak in English here because we will need to send this over to Wolfie as part of our report for today. Anthony is still working on the email right now. I mean, I have asked him to report something to me, which is quite important. So while he is typing, doing the email, I mean, I guess uh, we can talk. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So cars, like what
Hi,
we have,
hi.
yeah.
Hello, Ray. Yeah.
So just as what we have discussed. Okay. Okay, so cars, I just want to ask if can we like finish the inner pages this week or not?
Hi, Rio. Yes, we can finish the inner pages this week.
Okay. So have you checked the recent email that Wolfie just sent to everyone?
You're cutting out, Rio.
Oh, I'm sorry. I mean, did you receive the recent email Wolfie just
Yes, yes, yes. I
okay.
saw that.
Yeah, on behalf of the administration department, I'm really sorry about the abrupt decision that was made. So since now we are resumed, so I guess we really need to catch up and finish the the task that we haven't finished last week.
Okay.
Do you have a list there?
I'm working. I still have the list, and we just work on the inner pages not right now, and we'll send it all to Anthony.
Okay,
Okay.
so that
So,
those need to be
mm,
immediately
mm,
added to Strategy itself. Okay.
okay.
What
What
else?
else?
Yeah, I would also like to ask for the any attachments or links
So,
or
so screenshot.
screenshots for all the work that we have done from Monday
From
to
Monday
Tuesday.
to
So today
so
is the
uh,
fourth suspension.
okay.
Yeah, because
Last thing.
yeah,
Okay.
because you need to get paid for that.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
However,
Understand. I understand.
yeah,
Yeah.
however,
However,
I can't
I
release
can't
any
release
payment
any
if
payment if
we can't have
we can
something
have
to show to
something to show.
Wolfie.
Okay.
Yes.
We'll send my last task last Monday and Tuesday.
Okay. Hi, Leonard.
Hello, sir. Sorry for being late. I was traveling.
So this meeting right now is recorded. That's why
Okay.
we're talking in English, so Wolfie can understand what we're talking about right now. Is my voice clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's crystal clear.
Okay. So Leonard, mm, can you like can I put you on hold for a while because we still have to discuss something with Karsten? Would that be fine with you?
Okay. For sure.
Okay, just don't hang up. Just okay. Cars.
Yes, Rio.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When do you think? When can you
When can
email
you
those
email
tasks that you have accomplished from Monday to Tuesday last week?
Yeah. Tonight, I will send it tonight. I will just summarize it all. I will review my sent items and I will send the needed links or sample graphic.
Okay, that would really help. Okay. So again, we need to finish the inner pages. So I would like to encourage everyone that we finish this inner pages this week so that we can proceed in other matters for the next week. We need to do some catch up. We need to catch up all on all the tasks that were left last week. Okay.
Okay.
And then yeah, I'm so I'm I mean I'm sorry to tell you that Ferna won't be with us anymore. I don't know really what happened, but it seems like um,
Um,
Wolfie thinks that Ferna is no longer necessary to be part of the company. So from here on, you will be submitting your daily reports to Wolfie.
Copy that.
Yeah, and the cutoff time would be 10 p.m. our time. So
Okay,
it's
Rio.
no longer 12, it's now 10. So again, please don't forget to send your daily reports to Wolfie. You can put it on a spreadsheet or an Excel file or Word or put some screenshots or links in there. Or maybe you can compile everything on PDF and just something that makes you comfortable and makes all your tasks more readable and understandable. That's all that matters. Okay. Yeah. So, Cars, do you have anything else? Like, do you have questions or
Uh,
clarifications? Because if you do have some clarifications, then I highly encourage you to
none for now. I just want to talk to Tonton or Anthony later for the current status of the website.
yeah. Guys, you know what? I'm so happy because you are so quality conscious. I don't know if that's the right term for that. I can see that all the works that you have done for our websites are really quality. However, we need to be we need to do it on a very how do I say this? We need to do it
And,
with with a we need to do it fast. I mean,
yeah.
we don't really have to to how do I say this? Spend more time on or spending more time on on the quality and whatnot. Of course, uh we prioritize quality over quantity, but I think you're following right. So we need to do things in a very time bounded manner. So if the task is intended for that week, so it should only be, I mean, they should only be finished for that week alone. Now, if you have like clarifications or you have challenges that you think you won't be able to finish those for the specified week, then we do highly encourage you to. This applies not just to Carsten, but to everyone. To please do email Anthony or me so that we can put that on your headquarters or put a note on that, and we can update Wolfie about that. So that we won't have any problem, any issues. Do you think we can do that? Hello?
Yes, Rio. Sorry, I have.
Okay.
Okay.
So guys, I think what's lacking right now is updates. We really need to update Okay, so I guess that's all, Karsten. So please put on
Uh,
hold. Yeah, you have something to say?
uh, what is this about the one-on-one issue here on the chat? Just wanna know.
Yeah,
Just
about
for
that.
Todd.
Yeah, it's for Anthony.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't really have to worry about that for now. So, mm, uh, let me just put you on hold right now, Karsten. Would that be fine?
Okay. Okay, Rio. Thanks.
Okay. Don't hang up. Hi, Leonard.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. So, you haven't sent any report regarding Chameleon and why?
Okay, so last Friday I was doing that chameleon stuff, but I forgot to do some reports about
Okay,
it.
okay, let me just butt in. Leonard, it would be acceptable to hear that you have like technical issues, but I don't think we can manage to tolerate that reason again. Like you forgot,
Okay.
because you know what, you're the only chameleon guy that we have right now. And the plan is when you can, and when we see that you have mastered chameleon and you have gone a long way on chameleon, then that will be the time that we need to hire another guy for the chameleon stuffs. And that another guy in the future will be under your training. So which means we are planning to put you on a uh, on a position where you handle people. And if you are to handle people, then you just can't easily say like I forgot or something like that. So I'm encouraging you the next time you there should be a valid reason other than you forgot. Especially now that we have reconstructed the company and all daily reports are submitted directly to our CEO. So right now I'm really helping. I mean, not just you but everyone. So and that's all I can do right now to encourage you and to remind you of those things. So I hope this won't happen again, Leonard. Yep. And with the chameleon report that you have, can you send that over like before this day ends?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Because you had all the week to do that. But I'm not asking that you finish everything, right?
Yeah, you can also refer to the task list I have sent to you last Monday night. The
I refer to
long
that.
list, yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
the long list together with the like create a mirror backup, set it up on your local server, like that. You can also include that on your updates
Yeah.
Yeah.
because
I said,
that's where you base your task. That's the list of priority.
yeah. Um, Actually, I gonna prioritize the changes first because I had some problems backing up. Actually, I backed up the system on my local, but there were some page version issues that needs to be resolved because I think the Chameleon is running. And now I'm currently finding some uh, PHP 4 or plus Apache versions that will run on it.
Yeah,
But
and my and you can also install like a virtual machine on your PC if you have problems on your PHP version or MySQL version, and you don't want to
mess up my local art.
yeah to mess up your primary working station, so you might just want to install a virtual machine, then install the right version of PHP or MySQL there. So it is okay if you gonna do that, because
Yes,
the thing is I just want to see if you can replicate, because the thing, that person, that he uh, if he totally understand the code, is, first of all, he should be able to set it up from scratch, so
Yeah.
like that.
Okay.
And regarding the Bitbucket account, and that's, in the future, as Rio said, that you will be handling, several persons, and that's like a versioning system, and it's very important. And yeah, because we don't want to miss our work, or we don't want to be overwritten by others. So, as that's my so as early as of now, we should make it right, not like we will do it if we can encounter problems. So the Bitbucket account is also an important one. So
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's it, Leonard. If you got some technical problems, you really have to update. Tell us what's wrong. What's the problem? We would be happy to help.
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Yeah.
Got
So
it.
I'll just wait for the report on the chameleon task that you had last week. And for the Strike Force Safe theme, remember that? Don't worry about that right now
Actually,
because
yeah.
yeah, because
Yeah.
me and Anthony are currently discussing that right now, and it has become more complicated than the issue that we had last week. So I'll email Wolfie about this so you can focus on the chameleon thing.
Okay.
Okay. So again, guys, uh, again, this meeting is recorded. I'm going to upload this on YouTube and send the link to you. However, I configure it in a way that it can only be viewed by us, not even by the SEO department, just by us and Wolfie. And it's sad to say that the content department, they're all wiped out. I don't know. I mean, they have a lot of issues there, a lot of um I mean, yeah, that's it. They have a lot of issues and that I even think uh should no longer be taken care of. So that's why we have uh yeah, I think they're all wiped out. But anyway, for us, we need to focus on what we have right now and complete the task that we have. And please don't forget to submit your reports every day, mm, um, before 10 p.m. There's a send later feature on Thunderbird. You can actually edit that every time you work, set up the time so that it automatically sends an email to Wolfie. You can do that actually as long as the information that detailed there are those things that you have been working for that day. And I would like to ask for your patience. As you can see, we are not a maintaining team. You know what I mean about the maintaining? I mean, we are still on the development stage, so we are still develop. How do I say this? Development team, something like that. So we need to anticipate changes like every now and then or something because this company is still trying to be established. You get my point, right? So that's why we need your updates every now and then. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and please do prepare. I would like to ask everyone to prepare maybe someday this week because Wolfie will be talking to you one by one. He'll be talking, he'll be interviewing you or something like that. I don't know. So just prepare for that. And please don't say you forgot or say, oh, I have skipped this and that. No, you really have to say the real reason, the valid reason for whatever he asks you. So that's it. Uh, yeah, I hope we can overcome this one issues that we have right now. And if you have questions, please to ask me or Anthony so that we can cater those immediately. Okay, so is there anything else that you you want to update or you will ask? Hello.
None so far, man.
None for now.
Okay.
I have a question
Okay.
regarding last week's status report. Should I send it to Wolfie directly or to you lang?
That's it. Send it directly to Wolfie, but you can CC that to me.
Okay.
So if in case he forgot something or it's, I don't know, you just want to be prepared. At least I can back up. I mean, I can back you up, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll be needing Leonard. I'm not sure if I have already told you about this, but you need also to send me a screenshot or link or attachment for the work that you have done last Monday and Tuesday, so that you can receive your pay for that.
Okay.
Okay.
Last Monday and Tuesday, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Wait. I think oh no, you're not included, right? Oh no. Anyway, I'll just message you after this because we've been working on from the let me just check it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that also applies to Anthony. Anthony, you also have to send
Yeah.
a report on the work that you have done last Monday and Tuesday. So is there anything else that I can help you with? Hello?
All okay.
Okay. So I guess you have to wait for the link. I mean the YouTube link, the recorded video from this meeting, so that you can attach it on your daily report for today. Okay, so I guess that's all. Thank you so much for your time and may God bless you all. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank